a short stop and we are on our way. We will get on to the Kullani Expressway now. Kullani Krishnanagar Expressway. Met up with Gustav and Tanmay from our group, gave them our t-shirts, and now next stop is directly at Berhampur. Have to maintain good speeds. Thankfully the road condition is pretty nice from here on, so we'll be okay in that case. So today's plan is to reach Siliguri. We'll take a stop there. Then next day off to Sitang. We'll also do some sightseeing on the way. It's a very short plan, a very hectic plan. That is how we roll. Also, another thing to mention is this is our first long ride together. We have undertaken many rides before this also, but this is the first long tour, a 4-day plan. It's kind of short, but all of us are working professionals and holidays are hard to come by. So, and Chagda just about comes up on the board. Man, this is something else altogether. Going together on a ride, watching each other's backs. Biking brotherhood is something different. Unless you have experienced it, you cannot understand exactly what I'm talking about. Idiots on the road, man. Idiots on the road. Yeah. This is your road, not ours. There we go, the Ronan Morris of Bengal. You know guys, as riders, there is something we must keep in mind. We go for long distance touring, sometimes over days, weeks, and in the rare cases even months. But all these, just riding in general, or maybe taking day trips or something like that, won't be possible without the support of our family. As because we have the support of our family, we can take trips like this. They worry. Every time we go out, we strap these luggage on our bikes. They worry. But still they let us go, as because they know this open road, riding with our brothers, this is what makes us happy. This is what gives us that sense of freedom, that sense of release, which we may not get when we are doing our daily 9 to 5. So always be grateful to your family, guys. In my case, I'm very lucky. I have a very supportive wife, supportive parents. My wife stayed up till about 12 to 1 a.m. in the night to help me pack my luggage. She did not have a food, she did not, well. So Lisa, when you're watching this, just know that I love you, and I'm really grateful that you support my every antique and endeavor. Right now we are about 25 kilometers away from Krishnanagar. The time is just 7 a.m. in the morning. Things are going good, I would say. Face some traffics, but right now it's all open road. So I guess we have a lot of time to contemplate a few things. But one thing I love about Ronin is its acceleration. It's a very good 0 to 60. Crossing speed from the 100 plus does take a little bit of time. But I guess I can live with that. That's because this bike offers great fuel efficiency even when you're cruising in the hundreds. Like, you can keep it at about 105 for the whole day and not face a thing. The Bupam has taken a quick stop. I hope all is good with the guy. কি হলো? হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, চ চ পুশ পুশ পুশ। স্লো চ ক্যাচ আপ করো না। so so basically what happened is ki one of those stinky bugs got in his helmet. He was driving with the sorry, he was driving with the lid open and it got into his mouth, and well, he had a very bad experience of the stinky bug. Hope কি হলো? ওর হেলমেটে পেদো পোকা ঢুকে গেছিল। লিড খুলো না, লিডটা খুলো না। চ চ চ চ দাঁড়িও না, চলো। সন্দীপ স্যার কোথায়? তুই চালা, তুই এরকম 90-95 ধরে রাখ, ঠিক আছে? বেশি হাওয়া ঢুকছে, দেখে নাও। ঠিক আছে, না খুলে উড়লেই হলো। Our breakfast point is 85 kilometers away, and there is Dalkola 337 kilometers ahead of us. Everybody had a short water break. That's because, you know, as the sun rises up, it's only going to get hotter. So in order to stave off dehydration, water breaks are very necessary. Do not drive by punishing yourself. You are meant to enjoy the scenery. You are meant to cruise, take in the experience and everything. You might reach 1 hour later than your estimated time, but you will be reached there safely and energized. So when the Ronins roll together, when their sound harmonizes, just the exhaust note is just incredible. My belly just rumbled. I am hungry. How far are we from Behrampur? Behrampur should be 60 or so kilometers away by my calculation, if I'm not wrong. I need to find a signboard, as because I have not started the map. This road is pretty straightforward and Costa Way is taking the lead, so I do not find a purpose for the map as of yet. Maybe I will put one up from Behrampur. But as for now, this is all straight roads, no turns, nothing, and the road is good. Kurama, if only you had a sixth gear. No, but all jokes apart, performing admirably, and I think we have covered around 100 kilometers or so. So, doing okay. But I can feel, there is this stress and furrows on the road where heavy trucks have moved. So when the bike is moving past, I can feel the undulations like this right now. It disbalances the bike a bit and is pretty dangerous for bikes with smaller tire profiles. So guys, when you are driving on these kind of roads, it's better to keep to the left. But keeping to the left in a city has its own set of challenges, because there are people walking, there are vehicles, and there are magicians. With that being said, let's quickly cross with Wadahari and move across a bit.